Hello guys, in previous days you have learned about 3D designing, 3D printing and slicing. Today we will learn about circuit designing, how to make circuit on Tinkercad. For that you have to search Tinkercad and then you have to click on the first link. Then you have to go on create circuits. Then you can bring LED here, 9-volt battery. You have to connect anode with positive terminal of the battery and the cathode. Cathode with the negative terminal of the battery. Then you have to click on start simulation. Then you can see that LED got fused. In order LED not to fuse, we have to use resistor. First of all, what I will do, I will connect resistor with anode, and then other terminal of the resistor I have to connect with positive terminal of the battery. Then I will start simulation. Here the function of resistor is to obstruct the current. As I am using 9-volt battery, so it will obstruct the heavy amount of current to flow through it and to reach LED. Now I will make series connection. I will bring two LEDs here, one battery and a resistor. In series connection, what we do end-to-end connection. We will connect anode with the cathode of other LED, and then we will connect the other end of the resistor with the positive terminal of the battery, and we will connect cathode with the negative terminal of the battery. Then I will click on start simulation. You can see that both LEDs are on. If I I will delete one of the connections, if I delete this connection, then both the LEDs will get turned off. This means if any of the LEDs got fused, then the other LED will not work. Okay, this is my series connection. Now we will learn about parallel connection. I will use two LEDs, two resistors and a battery, and I will connect each and every LED separately with the battery. I will connect it with the positive terminal of the battery. Here also I will connect it with positive terminal of the battery. Then I will connect cathode with the negative terminal of the battery. Now I will start simulation. You can see that both the LEDs are on. If I will delete one of the connections, if I will delete this connection, this LED is not working, but this LED is working. So this is how the parallel connections works. Thank you so much.